Hey you guys, Laura here, and today we will be going over a review of a face serum. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I typically post, but it still falls within the realm of wellness, because wellness is not just about your physical endurance fitness, but it also has to do with self-care, how you're taking care of yourself, not just with exercise, with food, but also how are you treating your skincare? How much are you hydrating and things like that. So we're going to be talking a little bit about my skincare routine and reviewing a product that I got from Influencer, and maybe you've seen it on the market. It is the StriVectin. This is a face serum, Super C retinol, and it combines vitamin C and retinol into one face serum. So my initial impressions over this is that, first of all, I've never used a face serum. I kind of have a pretty basic face washing routine because I don't wear a lot of makeup. I eat pretty well. I can tell that when I eat a little bit more processed sugars, that's when my face starts to break out a little bit more around my chin. I don't really get anything in my T-zone. So I just keep a pretty basic skincare routine, especially since I'm not really worrying about wrinkles or anything like that right now. And I put on SPF daily. I haven't been using a face serum. What drew me to this one, or I saw that it could enhance brightness, and I felt that because I haven't been going outside as much because of quarantine, that I thought that my face was kind of looking like a little dull. This was supposed to increase brightness, remove that dullness kind of sensation. What else does it do? Look at the 97% of people saw that it improved skin brightness, 100% showed measured improvement in skin firmness, and 100% of people said there was no irritation to the skin. So I did use this for the prescribed 4 weeks that it mentioned before posting this review. I didn't have any skin irritation to it. That was one of the reasons why I had previously stayed away from skincare products that had retinol in it, because I heard that it could lead to skin dryness, and that's kind of something that I do have an issue with because I have eczema, and so I really want to, or I just try to take care of my skin in terms of drinking enough water, making sure that I'm always putting moisturizer on, and I use a cleanser versus a face wash because a cleanser is supposed to be a little bit more gentler on your skin. So let's talk about the product a little bit and about initial impression. So it came in a really pretty box. I'm a little biased because I really like the color pink. When I got it, it came with a different lid. The little squeegee here on top was separate, which I hear is supposed to be better for the little pipette that is inside. I don't really know too much about that, so I don't have a comment on it. And the instructions were pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I had never used a serum before, so I did have to look up how to apply it. Because before I tried it on the first time and I was like, it says 1 to 3 drops. I was putting the drops on my face and trying to rub it in, and I was like, the 3 drops are not really going very far. But then I saw that you are supposed to apply the 3 drops to your palm of your hand and then apply it to your face. So that was my bad. Once I figured that out, I felt that it says 1 to 3 drops. I was doing 3 drops. I could probably get by with 2, but I would recommend doing 3 drops just so that you can get through your whole surface area of your face. It has a really, really nice smell. It's very floral, so I guess that's like a personal preference. I don't really mind it when stuff has a fragrance to it. My face wash does have essential oils, or face cleanser does have essential oils in it, so I do kind of like having that fragrance. It makes me feel clean and fresh, but that's just I guess a personal problem. And I saw results within 4-5 days, definitely less than a week, and was pretty satisfied with my results after using it for the 4 weeks that it suggested. So a couple other things that I wanted to talk about. This is a water-based serum, so I guess there's a difference between water-based and oil-based. So it's a water-based serum. When you're looking at the ingredients list, kind of similarly to nutrition, the way that the ingredients are listed on the bottle is going to be in highest concentration. So the thing that there is the most of is going to be listed first, and then, going on from there. So vitamin C is the second ingredient on the label. So lets you know that there's a high concentration of vitamin C. When I was looking up information about the retinol, so 100% of people say that they had no issues using this product. And so when I was looking it up, when I was reading it, when I was looking at other reviews, it sounds like there might not be as high of a concentration of retinol, because like I said, it does help to increase brightness in your skin. And the retinol, I guess one of the side effects of it is that it kind of makes your skin dry. And I didn't have that experience. So it is, I think the product retails for like $74, which there was kind of mixed reviews about how, like, that price point. I feel like I was really happy with my results. It showed results really, really quickly. So, I mean, for how long this product has lasted me and for the results that I got, I think that that was a fair price point, because it's a vitamin C serum and a retinol serum. But like I said, I'm not really experienced with facial serums. So I know that, it can range anywhere between like $20 to and up. Obviously this one is a little bit on the higher side, being at 74, but I was happy with it. And now we're gonna get a little bit into the application of it. First, before you use it, you wanna make sure that your face is clean. So like I said, I use a facial cleanser. You can use a face wash, whatever you want to use to make sure that your skin is clean. Maybe you use it right out of the shower. It also recommends that you use it twice a day. So in the morning or at night, or whatever your skincare routine is. I do wash my face in the morning and at night, so it was super easy for me to incorporate it into my skincare routine. And then afterwards, because it has retinol in it, which increases your skin sensitivity, you just want to make sure that you're putting on your sunscreen after you put it on, which you should be putting on sunscreen during the day. Anyways, I have 2 sunscreens that I like to use. One of them is a powdered sunscreen. I really like the Color Science sunscreen. And then I also use a, like the lotion-based sunscreen as well. I don't really have a preference one over the other. If I notice that my skin is a little bit drier, then I go towards the lotion moisturizer one that I have. And then usually when I'm on the go, I just pick up the little brush that I have from the Color Science and put that on as well. So make sure you're putting on your sunscreen, because that also helps to protect your skin from skin damage. When you are going to be using the face serum, so you've washed your face, you're going to use the face serum next, you're going to shake it up. And I think that's just because there's the vitamin C and the retinol is probably just to mix up the ingredients. There's probably some separation that occurs when it's on the shelf, so make sure you shake it well. And then you do your little squeegee, put it into the palm of your hands, circular motion on your face to put it on, follow up with some sunscreen, and follow up with some makeup, I guess. I don't wear makeup, so I can't tell you what happens after that. All I know is I put this on, put my sunscreen on, and then I am good to go. Stay tuned to a video of me using it. Is it, you guys. I don't know if you could tell, but the sunscreen that I used was this sunscreen here. I like it because it Smells nice, it's oil free. I don't really have any skin irritation when using it. It says it won't clog up your pores. Like I said, my issues when I break out have more to do with nutrition and sugar intake. So I tend to not have that sensitive of a skin type. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, wellness routines, go ahead and let me know what you would like to see in the comments below, because like I said, I know this is a little bit out of the norm for what I typically post, but I'm happy to, help you promote your healthy lifestyle, which is more than just exercise and nutrition. And if you're not subscribed to my page, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell so that you can keep getting notifications of the different videos that I post. I do post weekly revolving around fitness, nutrition, injury prevention, and stuff like this, wellness routine. I will see you guys next time.